There's a lot of agents really struggling in this market today because they don't have buyers, they don't have sellers, or they have buyers, they don't have product to do it, and they're really struggling. So many agents are going to drop out of this market right now, and I'm here just to give some tips. I've got a little book that I wrote called From Rookie to Rock Star. I got into business in 2006, I think I got my license, and I only knew one person, my daughter, and I was broke. And I needed to figure out how I was going to do it. Well, the market was climbing right then. So some of you have been in the market when it was really kind of good going up, the rates were low. And then everything changed and you're like, I don't know what to do. And I get that. That's how I got in the market too. And yet I rode through because it was non-negotiable for me. I had to figure it out. And if you want to stay in this business and have a career for yourself, you got to figure it out too. And there's paths that can help you. I wrote this little book called From Rookie to Rock Star, as I was mentioning, and I've got some tips in there of some things of how I created a niche for myself, how I figured out a path, how I would find people, how I networked, how I did things. You could, join Mike Ferry or Tom Ferry where they teach you all kinds of cold calling. It was not a path for me. I'm not knocking it because I know people that make a fortune doing that. So if you got the money and the commitment, do that. If you want to figure out a referral-based marketing where you kind of build a reputation and you do it, might be a little slower, but it works. And I'm happy to give you a copy of that book. It's downloadable. So I think it's only 27 pages. You're welcome to check it out. So let me know. I've got it in the link right here so you can, it's called Rookie to Rockstar. But everybody needs help in this market. If you're a new agent, man, it's hard to be out here alone. Really encourage you to consider getting on a team because a team, and not every team's created equal either. But a team can really help you. It's going to be a bigger split. You're going to pay a price for that. But you know what? You pay a price when you get educated. At least you should. If you really want some quality education, I encourage you to consider that. If not, come to EXP where you get all kinds of training and you get really helped as well. But that's another subject for another day, unless you want to ask me. Because you can check it out on my link here too. Anyway, I really just wanted to give some hope out there that you can make it in this market. If you've got some stick-to-itiveness and you're hungry, and for you it's non-negotiable, you're going to figure it out. I'll help you. Let me know.